This video will provide an overview of session monitoring and illustrate how a permitted user can quickly locate, view, and download a recorded session based on defined criteria. When a problem arises from a privileged access work session, permitted users require the ability to quickly locate a specific recorded session, hone in on a specific action, review details and resolve any related issues, and download the selected files as needed. Bravura Privilege provides the ability to auto-approve or apply workflow approvals to allow permitted users to quickly locate a recorded session using a simple or advanced search based on a wide variety of data. Users can inspect, search, and download synchronized recorded video and data. For this demonstration, Windows accounts onboarded with Teams have session monitoring enabled. IT security staff have been configured with unrestricted access to the session monitoring interface in the demo. Users must have privileges assigned to search for and check out session recordings. Users may have auto-approval or require authorizer approval before gaining access to session data. In this demonstration, Gwen was tasked with troubleshooting some issues on a Windows server. Gwen used Bravura Privilege to RDP into the server and run some tests. Since she ran those tests and logged off, there have been new issues reported on the server. The server issues have been escalated to Billy to solve. To investigate if the new issues were caused by Gwen's testing, Billy will review the session monitoring data from Gwen's session on the server and look for any changes she made that could have caused the new errors. To begin, we'll launch Bravura Privilege, expand the IT security team, and log in as Billy. We can bypass authentication for this demo. Billy needs to review the particular recorded session where Gwen checked out the Windows Server account and performed some actions, so she'll open Session Monitor. Users must have the user profile self-service permission to manage recorded sessions in order to access the Session Monitor interface. Session filters allow you to view recent sessions. This is the default. Sessions with viewable recordings, all sessions, or saved searches. Request filters allow you to filter any requests to view, search, or download recorded sessions. You can filter based on requests that are active, yours only, pending approval by you, recent, all, or denied. Users can be assigned pre-approved permissions for searching, viewing, and/or downloading session recordings through user profile self-service rules. Otherwise, workflow approvals are used to require approval from selected authorizers before allowing session searching, viewing, and/or downloading. There are a number of ways that Billy can locate the session she's looking for. She can search keystroke, process, or clipboard data. She can also search on metadata like time or date, the accessed managed system, the user, the session ID, and more. In this case, Billy spoke to Gwen and asked her what processes were run on the server. From this conversation, Billy knows that Gwen typed "Hello World" during her session with the checked out account, so she'll use the advanced search feature to search for this text. First, she'll select Session Text. This is the data she wants to search. Then, for the comparator, she'll select Contains, and in the text box, she'll type "Hello World," and then press Enter. The search has returned Gwen's session with the Windows Server account. To validate the contents of the session, Billy can select the row. To view details of the session and to access view and download actions. Each session has a unique session ID and shows the managed system, access and device information, and the session status. The start date, time, and session duration are provided, along with the file size of each capture type. Note that the View option is auto-approved and available for Billy. Billy clicks View to view the selected session and any captured data in a web browser. The session recording video begins to autoplay. This demo configuration is for test purposes only. Better video quality can be obtained by using a different codec and settings. The recording can be paused and resumed as needed. The table below shows any captured text, the type of text, and the timestamp for each capture event. Use the search field to search for specific text in the table. Note that the video and logged text are synchronized. The video will jump ahead to where that text string was found and begin playing. Session monitoring can include video, keystrokes, process data, data copied to the clipboard, and even webcam shots to prove who is behind the keyboard. Billy closes the View Session window. To request a download package of the recorded session, Billy clicks Request Download. This displays a request form. She can add any notes for the request and click on the Content Types to Include in Package field to select the desired options. For this audit, Billy needs the keystroke data, process name data, and the video. She can also specify the number of days that the download package will be retained, after which it will be deleted and the user will have to request it again. Billy will leave this at the default 7 days. Then she'll click Submit. The request status is Needs Authorization, and the authorizer, Brent, is listed. The request also shows the requested content types. Brent receives a notification for the download request and approves it right away. Billy refreshes her page to check the status of her request. Once the request is approved by Brent, the package appears in a Packages section on the left, showing the date and time of the download request. Billy selects it to view more information. She then selects the table row to view details and actions. Billy confirms the details to ensure she's requested the correct session. If desired, Billy can also review the details of her download request by clicking here. This opens a Request Details window. To download the recorded session package, Billy clicks Download Single Session Package. The package will be downloaded to her Downloads folder in standard zip format. The name of the zip file includes the user login, managed system, and the date and timestamp. If she opens the folder, she can access the text and video folders as well as an XML file. Opening the text folder displays the files for the requested keystroke data and process name data. Here is the session keystroke data. And here is the session process name data. Going back to the main folder, the video folder contains the requested video as an AVI file of the recorded actions. Again, this is based on the current default test configuration. If she opens and plays the video, all actions taken by Gwen during the entire session are shown. Billy closes the video viewer window. Going back once more to the main folder, the general.xml file contains general details about the session. Billy completes her review of Gwen's session, having determined that nothing Gwen did on the system should be causing the new system issues. This concludes our demonstration of session monitoring, search, view, and download a session, using Hitachi ID Bravura privilege. Thanks for tuning in. Hitachi ID offers a range of demonstration and training options. Click the links in the description below to watch more demo videos or to register for training. Visit our website to learn more.